earlier. I was talking about structure. Now, some of us here, we can sew better than people that have boutiques and all these packaging. But why would you? Okay, let me give you an example. Even though Toyin Lawani is very, very good with what she does, but why do you think people would go to a Toyin Lawani to go and sew and not come to you? One of the reasons is structure. She has staffs, she has customer service, she has branding, she has this, she has that. And guess what? You really don't need to have all these things before people can come to you, and then you're able to charge those kind of pricing. There's something in marketing called, okay, I teach this in one of my courses here. There's something we call perceived value. Now, people don't pay you based on how much you are worth. They pay you based on how much they think you are worth. I repeat myself. People don't pay you based on how much you are worth. They pay you based on how much they think you are worth. Perceived value. The reason why someone would pay you 3,000 is because the person thinks that that's how much you are worth. Are we together? So you need to start working on your perceived value. And the best way to do that is this. Put a structure in place. Now, structure does not mean you need to go and hire people. I just gave you an idea. Have another phone or another WhatsApp. Let that be your customer service phone. But you are still the one replying it. That's part of putting structure in place. When you collect a customer's clothes, chat the person up with your customer service phone. Say, my name is, now I'm using Madam Udrak once again. My name is MM from Udrak Clothing. This is just to confirm that we have received your clothing. And your delivery date is so and so. Guess what? You are letting the person feel like, this is another level. It's different from what I normally get. So when you are charging the person another level, it is part of it. Are we together? But when you are talking to your clients and you are the customer service, and they know that it's you, they feel like, what do I have to pay for exactly? Why are you charging me